mission, get drone out of coconut tree, is underway. I got the coconut tree climbers behind me. We're gonna get this done. We just arrived at Lingnan Beach to retrieve the drone from the coconut tree. I got professional tree climbers. Let's get it. You can't see this guy in the tree, but he found the drone. Holy shit.
Oh, my back.
Yes! Yes! Woohoo!
No, my back. My back from drone. เอาได้ใช่ไหม
You got it? Ah! Okay, okay. Look at this. You got my fucking drone.
ได้ไหมได้ผมเห็นมันดำๆนะผมก็ไม่แน่ใจกี่พิษไม่ถูกอยู่แต่ไม่แบตหมดเขาบอกว่าเมื่อก่อนมันเปิดแต่ตอนนี้คือหมด
Got the drone out of the tree. Unbelievable. All right, we got Paul and Choop got my drone out of a tree, a 70-foot palm tree. Unbelievable. Got the drone back. It looks like it's actually undamaged, so we will find out. But main thing is I got my photos back, thanks to these guys. Now we gotta smoke a joint.